So if you're interested in learning how to do this, please stick around. Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all having a great 2024. Today I'm going to be showing you a very cool card change that you can learn to do very quickly. It's not difficult at all. So let me show you one more time. Take your empty hand, cover the cards, and it changes like so. So essentially what is happening is this card gets slid up, this card gets slid down, and then the deck gets squared up. So step one is to slide this card up with this part of your hand, okay? Take your hand and slide it up like so. Not very much, that would be plenty. Just enough so you can get to this card underneath. Now, step two is to slide this card down with the palm of your hand. So you're left in that position, okay? So again, step one is that. Step two is that. Okay, now for step three, you want to push this card down with your index finger, and you also want to slide this card up at the same time, like that. So I'll go through that again. Step one, step two, step three. Okay? Now I know that seems like quite a lot of sleight of hand, but it's really not difficult if you just practice. I'll show you one more time. Step one, step two, step three. Okay? That is literally all there is to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video and you found the explanation helpful. Any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll make sure I answer them. In the meantime, keep practicing and I will see you guys in the next video.